How to recover deleted ChatGPT chat. So if you want to recover deleted ChatGPT chat, then what you need to do is just open up your browser in which you are using your ChatGPT. Go with search and you need to search for openai.com and it will take you to the ChatGPT. So just verify and make sure to log into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, here you will have all of your chats of your ChatGPT, right? The things that you've asked. So what you can do is just simply go with the profile option, which is on the upper right, and just go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with data controls. And under your data controls, you will have an option of export data. You just need to simply click on export data and you'll be able to download all of your information on your ChatGPT. Or you will have an option of chat history and training. You need to simply go and toggle on the option. Once you toggle on the option, then even if you've deleted or even if you've logged out, then it will be saved as a backup. You can simply log into your account and you will have all of the chat history right here of your ChatGPT. So just click on export data and you'll be able to export your data. And in this way, you'll be able to have your deleted ChatGPT chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.